folks, it's me again. Another Wonky tool review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me if you like my channel, say hello to him. I'll show you what I got here. I have a mini anvil. And I got a little hammer here, see? It's got a, somebody was using it for a drilling platform, as you can see. I don't know if you can see this here. Anyway, I picked up this mini anvil. It's green. It's got holes in the bottom. I'm guessing it probably weighs about 10 pounds. There's no writing on it whatsoever. It's probably not very old. I don't know, maybe it is. I don't know. I'm guessing it's a jeweler's anvil. Somebody used it as a, I don't know, whatever. That's one of the first things I got. This is already another video. I also picked up this thing, which is safety load, 5,000 pounds. I don't know. I know this is for picking up something, but I'm not sure what the hell it picks up. It says made by Crescent, I guess. So maybe it's for holding rods. Let's see. Maybe it goes like this. Put it in there and then holds onto it somehow. I'm guessing this goes on a hook. This unlocks it. And the mechanism goes like this. I would assume it's for holding rods. Because there's a, see, there's a kind of grippy thing in here. Maybe cable. Maybe it's a cable puller. Put it in there and put it in there. And, yeah, maybe like this. Maybe using it for pulling cow fences or something. I don't know. What's it say? Crescent Tool Company. Jamestown, New York. Crescent. What's the number on here? Where's my little brush thing? Where's the little brush? That's somewhere. I lost the scrubby brush somewhere. Or I put them away, I think. Number 585 or 385. What is that? See, it's pretty cool. It says tool number 3. What the hell does that say? I don't know. Can anybody read that? What does it say? 3 something. It says something on the back here. 383, made in the United States of America. So I'm guessing from the looks of it, something, possibly a cable. Basically, this opens it. So you want to open all the way. That's the thing here. So I guess you get in there and you lock it. So it doesn't come apart. And maybe it's for a fence. I don't know. If it is, it's pretty offensive. That I thought was really cool. What the hell I'm doing, I have no idea. Maybe I'll use it to hold stuff in my store. Or I'll put it in my store. I have all kinds of antiques in my store. Maybe I'll make a video too, I'll show you. This other thing I think is awesome. This is a, I've yet to see one of these. Looks like somebody mutilated it. This is a, made in Germany. Somebody abused the end of it. Actually, let's see if I can unabuse it. See? I have a hammer. Where's the hammer? Where's the little hammer? Put the hammer on the prairie. Let's go like this. There we go. There we go. Oh, look at that. All of a sudden, I'm a blacksmith. Not. So anyway, I unabused it. It is a chewed out, perfect handle, German, I don't know, DGM something, little tomahawk. Oh, I could do Indian dances. Yep. I thought that was cool. It's also a vintage, perfect handle thing. Is it sharp? Yeah, it's got a little edge on it. Probably dull it out. Give my kids the problem. It's got a little rope cutter on here. Or maybe it's a gutting hook, this thing. You could just, but yeah, I thought it was cool. Kind of, what do you call it? I don't know. Kind of weird. But it comes with this super fancy, somewhat sloppy looking case. Goes in there. Goes like that. There's no, what's this in here? Real belt. I don't know what it says. Somebody's name on it. Bet you grandma sold grandpa's tools, and that's how I got all this. What's gonna happen to me? Somebody sell all my tools. So anyway, with that said, that's what I got in this little video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell all your friends, and tell them about the sunburn on my head here. See? Oh, there we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell all your friends and family. And that's it for this video. Toodles.